Omuramuzi wa Kooti enkuru ahabwa Fort Portal mu district ya Kamwenge kandi yabanza no kurambara parade kandi na bwanyuma nuko kuvugana habebembezi okuruga mu district ibiri eya Kamwenge hamwe na Kitagwenda.
I again thank the district leaders and appreciate your role in contributing to delivery of justice.
I want to thank you so much for organizing this session in Kamwenge. Many times, people do not realize justice. There are many hindrances, but one of them sometimes is distance. When we sit at a court which is far away from the people, they sometimes get lost. They sometimes say they do not have transport to bring them to court, and we end up not being successful in the prosecutions that we do.
Omuramuzi ayorekera ko emanja zo kutoroboza zizirenize yongera ngo kandi obwa hati Kooti ine emanja ziri kuhika rushanju kandi obwa hati neza kora ha manja 51 ekyari kugira ngo hakiriye ekyetengo kyango ekyo kukora ha manja ezi.
So you can see the 50 or 51 we are going to do here is like a drop in the ocean. So we need more such criminal sessions. We also have many more people who are about to be committed for trial.
Aha manja 51 ziri kuza kuhurwa 80 yo kutoroboza abana 8 yo kuhamba gumwe no go kwita kandi ogundi gumwe no go kugezaho kwita.
The High Court will work together with the office of the DPP, the prisons, the lawyers for the accused persons, and many other stakeholders. You will all be welcome. Assessors will also be part of the session. They are already here.
Moses Kurero bangura nagira ngo abantu binekozese enkora yo kwikiriza emishango ninga plea bargain baba nibenda kumaraho emyijurano mu bihome hamwe no mu kooti.
So those who are ready to accept their cases, they can even go in for the community service to work, so that one will reduce the congestion in prison. So the prison is full. We are even failing to bring others from Portal.
Okuza Fort Portal nahari transport ibera hari konka hati obutuyo muri Kamwenge kandi tureba hamishango yakozwe muri Kamwenge na Kitagwenda nkiza kuyamba abazuruzi bona nangu ikirundi cya session yejo no kugira ngo umuzuruzi wenda mbakuma transport refund nakumugaragaza transport.
Umuntu yaba ari foto bwira bukakwatirwayo nabyamba icunka hano nabwahira natemba kapici nataha.
Gasha kwa Anthony Twine.